you doing out there? This is Tom from Garden State Koi, Retail Manager. Just want to go over something really important. People always ask this question. They're wondering when I should start feeding my fish, how much should I start feeding my fish? It's a real important thing because if you feed your fish too early, you can actually hurt your fish. You want to make sure that that water temperature is above 50 degrees. That's the time you can start feeding. Now, I wouldn't go into a straight summer food, but I would definitely start off with a cold weather food. And when 50 degrees is there, you start feeding. Now, how much to feed is really an important thing. Usually what I'll do is much as they can eat for 5 minutes. So what I'll do is I'll probably take a little handful, the farthest away from your skimmer, the farthest away from your pump, throw a little food in there, step back, and see how much they eat in about 5 minutes. Then you'll know how much they actually do on a daily basis. No more than 2 times a day is definitely sufficient. I know the fish look hungry all the time. They can eat all day long if you feed them. You don't want to do that, you'll overload your pond filtration system. Also, when it comes to the different types of food, as soon as it gets above 60 degrees, then you can switch into a regular food. You can use a color enhancement, you can use a staple food, you can use a growth former, any of those. But it's important to make sure your water temperature, not air temperature, is above 60 degrees, and your fish will love it, and they'll be a much happier and a much happier pond. Now we're outside by the blue tanks waiting for our fish to come in. Finally coming in, we'll have so many cool fish. We have shabunkins, we have comets, we have butterfly koi, we have regular koi, premium koi. We have so many beautiful fish coming in that I can't wait for you guys to come check them out. And we're just starting to get going. They should be here any minute. And we're gonna start prepping them and put them in all these blue tanks, and you'll be able to come in and buy so many beautiful things. I hope to see you soon.